ऊपर किसी को उड़ते देखा है?
तो दोस्तों मैं आपके सामने एक और वीडियो लेके आया हूँ जिसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे आप एक 3D बॉक्स बना सकते हैं जिसमें आप अपनी वीडियो को प्ले करेंगे और 3D वीडियो का लुत्फ उठा सकते हैं। So let's begin the coding. I open brackets and this is my HTML coding that everyone know about. HTML tag, head, title and body. I have saved this on desktop inside the folder 3D. So this is my HTML page. Now I will use section tag. Inside this I will use a diversion for box. Inside the box I have to play video in 3 layers, so I will make one more diversion for the layers. So I'm using span to specify the layers. There are 3 layers, so I will copy it and paste 2 more times for all 3 layers. Now this is my HTML coding. Now I will apply CSS, so make a new folder, save it inside the same box, that is our 3D box, and named it box.css. Now I will connect these both, so I will use link tag. So now we have connected our both files. So let's start the CSS coding. This is my CSS coding. You will be thinking about the star. What is star? This is a universal selector that is used for all the window elements that I will use inside the web page. Now save it and check what we have done. I change the background color. This is my background. I give it a black color. This is my back color code. Okay. Now I will apply CSS onto the section box. This one. So the CSS code for this box will be here. The transform style property that specify how nested elements are rendered in a 3D space. I preserve it 3D that because I need a 3D box. Now I will apply CSS for this diversion. So the CSS for the diversion will be, you know already about these properties. The transform property is new to you, so I will explain what is transform property. Transform properties applies a 2D or 3D transformation to an element where I set the value rotate x. This will use only for the x-axis. This will use only for the y-axis. And what is translate 3D? This defines a 3D transformation where this is the value of x, this is the value of y, and this is the value of z. Now I will apply CSS into the these 3 span. So CSS for this span will be this. Here the position will be absolute, top 0, left 0, display. How it will be look? This will be display as a block, and the width of the block 100%, height of the block 100, and the background color is hash cc. What is hash cc? You can see here. This is white color. So let me check how it looks. Press the button. Wait, save it. First save it and check how it looks. So this is my span that is white color and in a box shape. Now I will apply CSS for the first span of the section box diversion. That is first child. So CSS for first child is this. I so the transform here is rotate for the x value. Let it be 0 degree. Translate 3D value for x 0 0 and the z for 200 pixels. Save it and check. So this is our first span. Let me do something to show this completely. I am using here section box top. I will use here Kelsey value that minus 200 pixel and same for top Kelsey property minus 75% pixel. Save it and check. Now you can see it better. To make it much better, I will use 100 300. Now it comes into the center. So this is also a property to set the value. Now I will apply CSS for the second child of the span. So copy it and paste. Change the child number second and value for y and save it. Check. Let me change the degree 90 degree. Okay. Now you can see this is my second span. If you want to show this span here, so the value for z will be in negative. So save it. Now this span that was showing here is now here. So this is our first span, this is our second, and the third span is here. I want to put this span over the box, so I will apply CSS on the third child. So the CSS will be for the third child will be like this. Save it and check. The third span is somewhere, but we can't see it because we did not change the degree of x. Let it be 90 degree. Then now you can see this is our third span who is at the top of the box. Now I want to add the video onto the box. So remember the box is made of 3 span. I will use video tag sr equals to name of the video. The video name is box.mp4. Copy it and paste here. Now let me give one more instruction to the video and copy the video tag and paste for second span and paste for the third span. Now save it and check how it works. So this is my first span, this is my second span, and the third span is here. So to fix it, I will use CSS for the spans video. The CSS for the sections box diversion spans video, because we are using video inside the span is inside the diversion inside the box class diversion, and this is inside the section. So this line is important to make a CSS effect. So the CSS will be this. Save it and check how it looks. Now you can see the video is playing inside the box. So if you want to play video within the background, first you have to add again the video tag inside the section tag. So this is my video tag. Save it and check how it looks. Now you can see video is playing within the background, but there is no size for the video. So to fix it, I will use CSS, and the CSS for the video will be apply as section, then video, then copy the upper properties and paste here. Save it and check. Now you can see the video is totally fit to the screen. If you want to play the background video as a blurred picture, then we have one more property, that is filter. Filter and blur 10 pixel. I set 10 pixel for the property. Now you can see the whole video is blurred. So to make the box video visible, I will change the span video filter. Filter for this will be filter blur 0 pixel. Save it and check. Now you can see the video within the box is visible and the background video is blurred. Now here you can see that the first span and the third span both are playing in same way, but the second span is opposite to these both. Then I will rotate the second span. So what will be the CSS for second span? That will be like this: section dot box divergence span and a child, that is second number, and the video. I transform it into rotate Y into the Y axis with 180 degree. Now save it and refresh it. Now you can see all videos seems to be playing in a same direction. Now I want to add a music, so I will remove this option from this video tag. You can remove from here also some that you want. Now you can hear.
ना ऊपर किसी को उड़ते देखा है।
आई होप गाइस ये वीडियो आपको बहुत पसंद आया हो, तो प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो एंड हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन. थैंक यू.